Last, central tendency mode. Mode is the measure of central tendency in which the most frequently occur. Can be denoted by capital Z or M O. Example 2, 4, 13, 7, 8, 2, 9, 10. Here repeated value 2. Therefore, mode is equal to 2. For a frequency distribution, mode is defined as the value of the variable having the maximum frequency. It can be calculated using the formula given below. Capital Z is equal to L plus delta 1 by delta 1 plus delta 2 into C, where L is the lower limit of model class. Model class is the class having the maximum frequency. Delta 1, difference between the frequency of model class and that of the pre-model class. Delta 2, difference between the frequency of the model class and the post-model class. See class interval. For applying this formula, the class interval should be first one of equal size, second one in ascending order, and third one in exclusive form. Question. Determine the mode of 420, 395, 342, 444, 551, 395, 425, 417, 395, 401, 395. Mode Z is equal to most repeated value, that is 395. Determine the mode. Size of shoes 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Number of pairs of salt 10, 25, 32, 38, 61, 47, 34. Mode Z is equal to 7 since Z7 has maximum frequency. Fourth question. Calculate mode for the following data class 0 to 9, 10 to 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59. Corresponding frequencies 5, 10, 17, 33, 22, 13. Solution. You have to make a column like this, class corresponding frequency. Here 0 to 9, second one 10 to 19. So we have to make actual class 0.5 to 9.5, then 9.5 to 19.5, 19.5 to 29.5, 29.5 to 39.5, 39.5 to 49.5, 49.5 to 59.5. Mode Z is equal to L plus delta 1 divided by delta 1 plus delta 2 into C. Model class is 29.5 to 39.5. Most frequency, then its lower limit small l is equal to 29.5. Delta 1 is equal to, delta 1 is the difference between frequency of the model class and that of the pre-model class, that is 33 minus 17, which is equal to 16. Then delta 2 is the difference between frequency of the model class and that of the post-model class. It is 33 minus 22, which is equal to 11. C is the class interval 10. Substituting these values in the equation, we get Z is equal to 29.5 plus 16 divided by 16 plus 11 into 10, which is equal to 29.5 plus 16 divided by 27 into 10, which is equal to 29.5 plus 5.92, which is equal to 35.42.